Hey, what's going on everybody? I am back again with another hair product review video. I know I haven't posted in, I think it's been about a year. Just been really busy with work and other things in life that go down. But today I'm gonna be talking about the American Crew Firm Hold Pomade. It's a grooming cream actually. It's a little bit more softer than regular water-based pomades. It kind of actually feels like maybe like a wax pomade, I would say, but this is actually water soluble. You can wash it out easily. It's pretty much, as it says, a cream. It's very easy to rub in between your hands. It's like, I would say it kind of feels like just rubbing whipped cream in between your hands. Actually, it's really easy to just apply. Goes through the hair pretty easily, as you can see. The only thing is that and this is always just a personal problem for me, is I have really thick wavy hair, so I do need a lot of this stuff in order to get a decent hold, I would say. So if you have thick wavy hair, be prepared to use a lot of this. I have used this a few times already. The first few times I did not realize that it was better to actually apply it while my hair was dry or damp, because if you just got out of the shower and you try to apply this after towel drying your hair, it is gonna give you some trouble. You don't want to have a lot of wet hair when you apply this grooming cream or pomade, because you don't really need it. It doesn't need the help from any water to apply. Yeah, and looks like I'm actually gonna have a good hair day. I'm not using as much as I usually do. But yeah, that's a tip I would suggest. Apply when your hair is dry, or if you just got out of the shower, really dry your hair. Blow dry it if you have to, for the best results with this one. And that's the thing too, like, you gotta read all your pomade containers and see what the recommendation is for application, because I know some pomades are a bit thicker than this one, and those you will actually need somewhat damp or wet hair to apply, just to make it easier on you. I did just get out of the shower a few minutes ago, but I blow dried my hair to the point where it was pretty much dry. And as you can see, it's just making it a lot easier to apply. If my hair was wet, if my hair was a little more wet, this would all be getting on my nerves right now. Got a comb. Trying to do this as fast as I can in order to have a short video. I am recording on my cell phone, my iPhone actually, because it is the only way to post to YouTube right now. I did buy a high quality camera so I could post HD videos, but fortunately my laptop broke down a few weeks ago, so I can't do that at the moment. Gotta get that fixed, and then hopefully I will be able to post higher quality videos in the future. Alright, yeah, easy to comb, easy to style. Damn, right on. A little close up there. See that? It has been a few weeks since my last haircut, so I'm not gonna look as fresh with the pomade on, but it still looks good. It's holding it together pretty good. Nice. And it feels great in your hair. Like, it's not the scent isn't too overpowerful. Doesn't feel like you got glue in your hair. It's just a nice comb. This is the Firm Hold, let me see here, Firm Hold Grooming Cream. A little close up right there. So keep in mind that it doesn't say heavy hold, which they do offer. That's gonna be a little stronger, so I think I probably should have got that instead for my hair type. If you feel like your hair is thicker than mine and a lot harder to manage, I would recommend getting the heavy hold pomade that they have. And you can purchase this, you can purchase American Crew either on Amazon or on their website. I ended up finding it in a makeup store actually. I was with my girlfriend and I actually found out that they have guy sections tucked away somewhere in a little corner, you know. So if you go to Ulta or any other makeup store, just keep an eye out. If your girlfriend or whatever ever drags you to the makeup place, now you know where to look. And it actually is a bit pricey. It was like $17.25 for one container. The only reason I got it was to be able to test it out, give it a review, and because it was on sale. So I paid the $17 for one and got the other one half off. I ended up getting two. I'm pretty sure I've combed this as much as I can. Let's try to get a little longer. Should I? Hopefully that works out. That's working. Sweet. I gotta say, the length is really working out good for me. Nice. Yep, I'm done. Get some angles here. And I have used this a few times before, so I can tell you that the hold is pretty good throughout the day. It is a bit cooler this time of year in California, so obviously there's no heat that's gonna give me any trouble. This is definitely a pomade I would recommend for wintertime, the fall, if you're in a cooler state. Not really something I would use for the summer, as I do believe that this will not hold well. Oh, voice cracked. I do believe this will not hold well in the heat or on a hot day. And yeah, it's good stuff. I was a bit iffy about it at first, but that was because I wasn't applying it the right way. The first time I tried it, my hair was like wet, damp. I applied it to my head, and it just was not working out. Like my hair was all curling and all over the place. I was a little upset. And then I actually read the container and it said apply to dry hair or towel dried hair, and I'm like, oh, okay, makes sense. It's like pretty much a cream. I should have known that you didn't need to add any water for it to go through your hair. But yeah, I definitely recommend you guys try American Crew if you have the budget for it, because keep in mind it is $17 for this tin. They do have cheaper containers, different holds. I think it's a lighter hold. Probably won't be as good as this. Yeah, that is pretty much it. American Crew pomade, very good stuff, good hold, and that's all I gotta say for today. So if you would like to see more videos like this, hair product reviews for guys or anything else in particular, just leave a like and subscribe. It'll really help me out, and it'll let me know that these videos are actually appealing to audiences. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys later. Thank you.